So what's up mga kalimit? It's a new video na naman na share natin para sa fitness. So for today's vlog, I am going to show you on which muscle group ang kailangan mong i-train na mga muscle group for you to have a aesthetic definition of muscles. And here I am right now sa Bacal Gym. We go gym right here kasi nga mas cheaper sa Bacal Gym pero ang gains is much effective. So let's go and let's get into it. So by the way mga kalimit, I like starting my workouts with a light movement of shoulder lateral rings. So this exercise mga kalimit targets your side delts. So sa shoulders mga kalimit, meron tayong 3 delts na tinatawag, yung front delt, side delts, and also yung real delts sa may likod. As you can see naman mga kalimit, steady lang yung face natin dyan kasi nga we're trying to control the weight and also trying to feel the muscle. I know some of you asking, bakit nga ba lateral rings yung inuna ko kung pwede namang shoulder press? So this is the explanation mga kalimit. Lacking kasi yung proportion ng side delts natin, kaya mas inuna ko yung side delts na i-train compare sa front and also sa posterior delt. And since side delts naman yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng wider and V-taper look. And as you can see naman mga kalimit, dumbbell yung karga-karga natin dyan, because they provide natural range of motion mga kalimit. And also, I want to correct my muscle imbalance. Each arms work independently, so it's better for dumbbell na yung i-use natin when it comes to executing this exercise mga kalimit. Here mga kalimit, grabe. Kitang-kita nyo naman pag Bacal Gym, batak na batak. And for second workout na ginawa natin is yung real delts, yung lacking kasi natin. So, tinrain na naman natin yan. So, by the way mga kalimit, this exercise called face pull. It targets your real delts sa may likuran ng back mo. It doesn't matter mga kalimit on how you pull this rope kasi nga, you can pull it with your head and also with your upper chest. This Bacal Gym is so much have memories talaga because this is the gym where I started. Cheaper lang yung monthly pagdating sa Bacal Gym mga kalimit. It's only 300 pesos. So sa mga balak magtipid dyan, you can go to the Bacal Gym naman kasi pangmasa yung Bacal Gym eh. Para magkaroon ka ng magandang physique, it doesn't need to be complicated lang mga kalimit. Machines and free weights is actually the same lang. It's up to you lang on how you structure your training program, and also, you don't need an expensive gym for you to have a better physique. So, proceeding sa next workout mga kalimit, so we do bicep curl, but dumbbell. So since may muscle imbalance nga tayo, so we use dumbbell here to maximize the imbalance and equal yung muscle growth. Primary target of this exercise mga kalimit is your bicep brachii, in short, the short bicep or called short head. Secondary na yung forearms and also your brachioradialis muscles. This exercise mga kalimit is very well-friendly beginner. To perform this exercise, stand up straight, feet on shoulder level, and also mga kalimit, keep your elbows close lang to avoid swinging the dumbbell up, and repeat it for 12 reps to 15, 3 sets. So look at the pump of this bicep curl, diba? Tingnan nyo naman. Kahit one exercise lang yung nagawa natin sa bicep, is pump na agad tayo. Don't forget and include this exercise mga kalimit on your routine. At yun nga mga kalimit, nag-start ng dumami yung nag-gym dito sa Bacal. Ang daming mga kids na gustong magpa-aesthetic ng kanilang mga body. So it's very better kasi nga hindi na lululong sa bisyo. So proceeding sa next workout mga kalimit is the triceps. We have 3 heads sa tricep natin, the lateral head muscle, the long head, and also the medial head. This exercise targets your medial and also your long head.